It's a very high demand occupation. Hospitals, clinics, they're all in need for certified nurse assistants. And then lastly, the licensed practical nursing program. This one's a little bit more in depth. It requires about 2 semesters of general education requirements. And then we have about 11-month intense course, which includes clinicals, lecture, and lab. But once you complete the course, you will qualify to take the national exam to become a licensed practical nurse, and also locally licensed through the Guam Board of Nursing.
Okay, so a bunch of different courses, workshops offered at GCC. And Leilani, you're going to be telling us about the caregiver program later in the show, but is that also pretty high in demand here in Guam?
Absolutely, it is high in demand. We've been getting a lot of calls from the community in need of caregivers.
Okay, but just to go a little bit more in depth, first off about nursing. So, you know, for those who are interested, are there scholarships available for these programs?
There is scholarships available. First, we encourage our students to try to see what they qualify for through our financial aid office. Particularly for our nursing students, there is the Take Care grant that we offer. We always give 10 $1,000 scholarships to qualified individuals who are in the nursing program. You have to be a full-time student to apply for this scholarship. And also GCC offers a lot of other scholarships to students who are attending the college. So I highly encourage students, if they're going to be applying for the nursing program or any program at GCC, to look online and see what scholarships are available for the students, because there's a lot out there. They just need to research and also utilize the people on campus, your advisor or your faculty, to assist you in finding those scholarships.
Okay, and so DOE actually just finished conducting a survey with high school seniors. It turns out the #1 industry they're hoping to enter is the healthcare industry, and also, but a lot of them don't really know too much about the financial aid options. So it's a good thing you mentioned that there are scholarships available. There are ways that you know, these students can fund their education. So if they're interested, maybe, you know, they go to the doctor and they see these nurses at work and they think that maybe this is the career for them, what would you tell them? What should they know about entering this type of profession? What are the challenges associated with it?
Well, first of all, I think if they have a desire to be in the healthcare industry and make it a career, I would highly encourage them. But the thing that I would tell them is to make sure that they have the commitment and the dedication for not only their education while they're trying to pursue their degree, because if you have that commitment and dedication for your education, you will carry on that commitment and dedication which is needed and required for the career. You have to have the passion for nursing, and you have to have the passion for healthcare because you deal with people's lives. So start off with that initial desire and hold on to it so that in the end you will be successful.
What's the biggest reward you would say, because, you know, this is a really challenging profession. Sometimes, you know, you might have long hours. Why do people pursue this?
I think people pursue it because initially you have the desire to care for people. I know when I was first wanting to be a nurse, I always knew that I wanted to help people. And I love the fact that I'm contributing and assisting the community in healthcare and their role as caregivers, or just helping them to get well.
All right. Well, you know, if people are interested in finding out more, is there a phone number or website they can go to?
If they're interested in learning more about our programs, they can contact our office at Guam Community College, the Nursing and Allied Health Department, 735-5632 or 735-7006. Or you can, our contact and email is posted on our website, guamcc.edu.
All right, thanks so much, Liz. Up next, we're going to talk about a caregiver workshop coming up at GCC this August with Leilani. Stay tuned, we're back after this short break.